Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and basically all you have to do is to enter the three dots icon in the right upper corner. What is more, if you're using any kind of other browser, no worries, this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers, so recreating my steps will for sure help you to clear your browser. So let's enter the three dots icon and tap on the history. As you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button next to it. But if in your case this list is really long, I highly recommend to automatically remove it. So let's tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, associated data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove totally everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. Or even all time, it's up to you. If you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.